Independent variable. The independent variable is the one that you, the experimenter, change or control in order to see what effect it has on another variable. It's called independent because its variation does not depend on that of other variables. Example: imagine you are doing an experiment to find out how different amounts of sunlight affect the growth of a plant. The independent variable would be the amount of sunlight each plant receives per day, because you are changing this in your experiment. Dependent variable. The dependent variable is what you measure in the experiment and what is affected during the experiment. It's called dependent because it depends on the independent variable. Example: in the same plant experiment, the dependent variable would be the growth of the plant, measured perhaps in height or number of leaves. This growth depends on the amount of sunlight each plant receives. Putting it all together in the plant growth example: independent variable, amount of sunlight. You control this. Some plants get more sunlight, others get less. Dependent variable, plant growth. You measure this to see how it changes in response to sunlight. By changing the independent variable and observing how it affects the dependent variable, scientists can gather evidence and draw conclusions about cause and effect in experiments.